Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up order batching to reduce shipping costs with ShipBob. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up order batching with ShipBob, start by logging into your ShipBob account. Navigate to the Settings tab in the left-hand menu. Under the Settings section, find and select the Order Batching option. Click on the Enable Order Batching toggle to activate this feature. Next, determine the criteria for your batching. Consider factors such as order size, weight, and destination. Set a minimum order quantity to ensure that batching is effective. You can also group orders based on shipping methods or specific shipping zones. Once you've established your criteria, click the Save button. Now, go to the Orders tab in the main dashboard. Here, you will see all incoming orders that can be batched. To create a batch, select multiple orders that meet your criteria. After selecting the orders, look for the batch option and click on it. Review the orders in the batch to confirm they align with your selected criteria. If everything looks good, proceed by clicking the Create Batch button. ShipBob will then consolidate these orders for shipping. Monitor the batching process through the Batch History section. This will help you understand the efficiency of your shipping strategy. Adjust your batching criteria as needed based on shipping performance. Regularly evaluate cost savings to see the impact of your new batching method. With time, you'll optimize your order batching settings for maximum efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.